Hello everyone. We are going to talk about social influence, but now we are going to talk about the various processes which are related, and cooperation is one of the processes, beta. As everybody of us knows that we cannot do with cooperation, every second at every point of our lives, whether at home, whether outside, कहीं पे भी अगर हम चले जाएं, so without the cooperation of our significant others, without the cooperation of even strangers, of organizations, हमारी जिंदगियां नहीं चल सकती. So we are under the influence of this social a system. So we are going to talk about cooperation, and cooperation beta is one of the fundamental processes of social life. हमारी social life का एक fundamental process है. It is a form of social process जिसमें दो से ज़्यादा जो individuals हैं और जो groups हैं, they work together jointly to achieve common goals. So cooperation, dear students, is the form of social interaction in which all participants benefit by attending their goals. So कॉपरेशन जो है ये कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट होती है, ये परमिट्स कहाँ से करती है. इट परमिट्स इस अपने अंदर समाया हुआ है ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ सोशल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, from the maintenance of personal friendships से लेके to the successful cooperation of international programs beta. So the struggle for existing force, the struggle for existence exists, forces the human, this struggle forces the human beings not only to form groups but also to cooperate with each other. Why? Because this is the basic necessity of our lives. We cannot move without cooperation or without kind of taking cooperation from others or getting giving them the cooperations. Then beta, जो ये term cooperation है, it has been derived from the Latin word, so co and operation. So co means it means meaning together, and operation means an action. So working together is the basic gist of the word cooperation. So hence cooperation, this means working together for the number one, for the achievement of a common goal or goals of the members of the place. So when two or more persons, they work together to gain common goals, it is called cooperation. So boys cooperate in games and men in business and workers in production. एक ही काम करने से production companies नहीं चल सकती हैं, and public officials जो हैं in community में, जो वो जितने भी public offices हैं, they are controlled and so on with the concept of cooperation. In an endless variety of benefits, beneficial, I'll say the beneficial activities that take possibly an integral social life. So without cooperation, none can do. Further beta, we can say that cooperation जो है, it means working together in the pursuit of like और कॉमन इंटरेस्ट. जो भी कॉपरेट कर रहा है उसका अपना भी कोई कॉमन इंटरेस्ट रह सकता है. सो it is known as the continuous and a common endeavor of two or more persons to perform a task or to reach a goal. So this is commonly cherished, a goal that is commonly cherished, that is liked by everybody. So cooperation beta, it is the impossibility of solving many of our personal problems alone, which we cannot do alone. हम अकेले उनको संभाल ही नहीं पाएंगे. So through this process of cooperation with the work of the togethers, so cooperation results from kind of necessity. So it would be impossible to operate a modern factory. एक modern factory को operate आप cooperation के बिना कर ही नहीं सकते हैं. एक large departmental store हो, without cooperation of others you cannot do. और an educational system जैसे हमारे colleges हैं, हम cooperation अभी भी आप देखें कि you are cooperating sitting with me. So our class is going wonderful and it is going very successful. Why? Because everybody in this testing time, आपका network चल रहा है या नहीं चल रहा है, so आपने कैसे manage किया Google Class में enter होना, और तभी मैं आपकी help कर पाई. So this is a wonderful live example which we can see. But बेटा characteristics हैं बहुत सारी cooperation की. Let us see what are the kind of factors जिसके ऊपर cooperation काम करती है. So following I'll just speak some of the factors. So cooperation is an associative process of social interaction which takes place between two or more individuals. This we discussed earlier also. Is number two, we can talk about that cooperation is a conscious process in which individuals or groups they have to work consciously together. And beta, then number third, cooperation जो है, it is a personal process. It is a personal process in which individuals and groups personally meet and work together for a common objective. They have to be direct. Sometimes they have to reach and give an helping hand. Only then cooperation is considered as cooperation. Then beta, cooperation is an continuous process. There is continuity in the collective efforts in cooperation. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज कर दिया मदद और कल उसके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं. So this is not called cooperation, because cooperating others you don't have any conditions. Then fifth beta, cooperation जो है, it's a universal process which is found in all groups, in all species. Why groups? Why humans? You can find cooperation in animal groups and in birds and in so many kind of organizations of human, in cultures, everywhere it is being run. The societies जो हैं वो cooperation के बगैर नहीं चल सकती हैं. Seventh बेटा, जो cooperation है, sixth point is that cooperation is based upon two elements. Such as, एक तो cooperation में common end होता है और दूसरा ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एफर्ट होता है. कॉमन एंड मीन्स कि सबका जो है एम वहीं पे टारगेट पहुंचना है, और ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एफर्ट मतलब कि इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं कि हर बंदा सेम ही काम करे. देयर इज़ एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हु इज़ बेस्ट इनटू दैट, वो काम संभालेगा और दूसरे को मौका देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल आप गेम्स में देखिए, कोई काइंड ऑफ बॉल थ्रो में अच्छा है, कोई भागने में अच्छा है, तो टीम वही जीतती है, वही सक्सेसफुल होती है जिसमें कॉपरेशन होती है. So these were the various factors. One more factor we will discuss here is, one is left I think, so we can talk about that the common ends जो हैं can be better achieved by cooperation, and it is necessary for the progress of individual as well as the society. Individual level पे अगर हर बंदा, अब देखिए आप कोविड-19 में अगर पूरे citizens of India जो हैं 1.5 million people together, अगर उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी की बात नहीं सुनी होती और लॉकडाउन नहीं होते, तो हम लोगों का भी जो इटली, स्पेन, ब्राज़ील और अमेरिका जैसा हाल होता. बट सिंस वी कोऑपरेटेड एंड वी ओबेड, सो वी आर ऑल हेल्दी टुगेदर, इक्का दुक्का केसेस को छोड़ के. नाउ बेटा, लेट अस टॉक अबाउट कि कॉपरेशन कितने किस्म की होती है. सो द टाइप्स ऑफ कॉपरेशन has different types. So what are these types? There is direct cooperation and there is indirect cooperation. Direct cooperation means that under direct cooperation, it may be included all those activities in which people do like things together. They like together things. For example, playing together, working together, then carrying a load together or pulling the car together. So ये सारी जो जज्बात है, जैसे साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, हाँ एक अकेला थक जाएगा तो मिलकर बोझ उठाना. So this is what cooperation is. So the essential characters of this kind of cooperation is that people do such identical functions which they can also do separately. जो वो अकेले भी कर सकते थे, उन्हीं चीज़ों को वो दूसरों के साथ मिल के करते हैं. जैसे अकेले भी कोई इंसान खेल सकता है, but then playing in group, that's important. So this type of cooperation is voluntarily cooperation. It's cooperation between husband and wife, teacher and student, master and servant. So these are the cooperation जिसमें आप direct हेल्प करके एक दूसरे की मदद करते हैं. Then beta, there is indirect cooperation. Indirect cooperation, underlying indirect cooperation are included in those activities in which people do unlike tasks together towards a common goal. मतलब एक मिशन है, जैसे कोविड-19 का स्ट्रेस है. डॉक्टर्स अनलाइक डॉक्टर्स, हम सब डॉक्टर्स नहीं हैं, हम फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर्स नहीं बन सकते, हम हॉस्पिटल्स में नहीं जा सकते. लेकिन सबका फाइट जो है, वेदर दैट इज़ अ पुलिस वाला, वेदर दैट इज़ अ डॉक्टर, वेदर दैट इज़ एन लेबरर, वेदर दैट इज़ अ शॉपकीपर जिसने अपने शटर्स बंद किए हैं, या हम जैसे लोग जो घरों में हैं, वी टीचर्स, वी स्टूडेंट्स, सो एवरीबॉडी इज़ डूइंग डिफरेंट टास्क विच इज़, सब सेम काम नहीं कर रहे, सब हॉस्पिटल्स के अंदर नहीं है. सो इनडायरेक्ट कॉपरेशन मीन्स इनडायरेक्टली योगदान देना कि कोई चीज़, कोई मिशन जो है वो सक्सेसफुल हो, उसको हम इनडायरेक्ट कॉपरेशन कहते हैं. In it, people do different functions, but for the attainment of the common objective. So in the modern technological age, beta, जिसमें specialization of skills and functions है, ऐसी indirect cooperations की ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है, जिसका काम उसी को साझे, लेकिन सब साथ मिलके चलते हैं, because सब अपनी country के लिए, अपने college के लिए, अपने region के लिए, अपने culture के लिए, humanity के लिए कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहते हैं. Then beta, we have primary corporations. Primary corporations जो कि primary group family हमारा सबसे बड़ा primary group है, तो उसमें हम achieve करते हैं, जिसमें हम cooperate करते हैं, obey करते हैं. पापा जो हैं, most of the places fathers are working, so they bring money, and that money is distributed among all the children and the wife and the parents, everybody. So देखा जाता है कि betterment में क्या है. So primary group, for example, एक और example आपको industry की देती हूँ. Each may work in cooperation with others for his own wages. सबको अपनी अपनी तनख्वाह मिल रही है, लेकिन सब इंडस्ट्री को चलाने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, सबको सैलरीज मिल रहे हैं अलग अलग, सबको प्रमोशंस मिल रहे हैं. This I am talking about secondary cooperation. Primary में तो सबका मिशन एक है, सब घर का, मतलब कोई ये नहीं देख रहा मेरा फ़ायदा क्या है, सब एकजुट होके काम कर रहे हैं, because they are talking about the primary group. But in secondary, they are working, but they are being paid individually, तो individually भी उनका फ़ायदा हो रहा है. So secondary cooperation जो है is found in secondary groups such as government, industries, trade, union and church. So for example, industry में जैसे मैंने बताया सबको wages मिल रहे हैं, सबको salaries मिल रहे हैं, but still जो है सब लोग अपना common industry को आगे बढ़ाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि उनकी रोजी रोटी उसी से चल रही है. Third beta, we have the third type, territory cooperation. So this means this type of cooperation is ground in the interaction between various big and small groups. For example, again COVID-19 के example देती हूँ. WHO is a very big group, but is worried for the health of all the citizens of the world. Globally humans का वो देखना चाहता है. United Nations is standing together. Then our country, country is a bigger group, so country is saving us. country में administration है, government है, बहुत बड़े बड़े चीज़ों के साथ में territory में छोटी छोटी NGOs, छोटी छोटे धर्म संस्थान, हम लोग जो अंदर रहे हैं, डॉक्टर्स का ग्रुप, different associations, police forum, जिस चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ रही है वो territory means in which bigger groups and then the smaller groups work together for the same mission, for the same cause. So this was all about the types. Now we will talk about three main types हैं. एक और जो different है, that is journal cooperation. Journal cooperation that बिना किसी को जाने पहचाने आप किसी को cooperate कर देते हैं. कोई आपके सामने बैंक में है, किसी के पास पेन नहीं है, so you cooperate by giving pen. और कोई kind of किसी के पास सीट नहीं है, तो आपका सीट खाली होता है. So in journal, without knowing that person, you talk about that. Then beta, we have friendly cooperations. आपकी friendship है, so you cooperate because you are good friends. And then we have helping cooperations because you want help, and so you talk about. So role of cooperation is very 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 important, and in which people accommodate to each other's needs and systems. So this is a kind of social influence. I hope you have understood it well. Thank you so much, Vita.